Hi, I'm Alan from Forestwalk, and I'd like to give you a quick peek about what we've been working on. So to start, here is a demo app, an LLM-powered tutor that we can use to test out the evaluation and testing tools that we've been building. So being a tutor app, you can ask it questions, and it has a certain set of behaviors that the team has been working on and building. Now, being a tutor, you have certain behaviors that you want it to elicit, like helping you think through problems but not answering them directly. And when you answer a question, you get it wrong, it pushes back or accepts if you get it right. Is it 15? It should push back on us. This is something that works for our manual testing here. And so we may go and flip back to the code that is powering this, running locally on my machine, and make some changes. For example, maybe we want to switch to GPT-4 Mini, see if we can't get the same performance for cheaper inference. If we switch back, and now we're running against GPT-4o Mini, and we say, what is 4 times 4? We get different behavior, but still passes the test. It behaves the way we want it to. So we say, is it 15? It still pushes back and says, nah, that's not right. So my manual test works, but of course, if you've worked on these kind of products, you know that as you get into hundreds, tens of thousands of users, they're going to try out things that your manual tests will never uncover. And so we need some sort of automated testing. And so we've been building a framework just for that. We can call the automated tests that we've built using Scout, using off of the CI system, or maybe interactively in a playground. But here I'm going to show what it looks like to do so from the command line. And so we can go and call this command line test suite that we've built using a data set testing, in this case, tutoring acceptance, meaning is it accepting the student's answer, yes or no, and continuing on with the conversation appropriately. And we can call it multiple times, and Scout will average the results. In this case, I'll just do it 3 times. But in the more than 100 conversations that we've had with teams that are doing evaluation and testing of these products, we've found it's common for teams to repeat 10 or more times for their evaluations that really matter. And so we can see here it's gone and run the LLM based on my local code changes. And we've got GPT-4o Mini is giving us substantially cheaper inference, but it's not necessarily going to give us the same results. And we can see here we've got a substantial decrease in the test performance. So even though our manual check was good at a scale, as we get into a wider variety of inputs and outputs, we can see that it's not up to snuff. And so this is sort of the beginning of a journey for this team here to be able to iterate, explore different models, changes to prompts, changes to the RAG pipeline, all the various things that will power their product. You can do so faster and faster. And that's really the thing that gets us excited about this problem, is helping teams build these products faster, more confidently, and being able to do so and expand the set of things that your LLM-powered product can do in a way where you're confident that it's going to behave well. And of course, once you have nailed down this first test, we have only one evaluation set up here. You can go and you can add additional evaluations for different aspects of the product experience. And as you build and refine those evaluations, getting into a loop where team members can explore and collaborate, try different changes to the prompt, and ensure that all those evaluations are still not just passing, but ideally they're improving over time, is a core part of the loop of building these products well. So if any of that is interesting to you, if you are somebody who is on a team that is building automated evaluations for your LLM-powered software and you'd be curious to learn more, I'm happy to share what we've been learning and curious to learn what you've been seeing and how we might be able to help in your journey of trying to build awesome LLM-powered software. Thanks.